Namaste. I, JVN Smritika Chatwal, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Pharmaceutical Sciences, is here to deliver the lecture on pharmaceutical quality assurance. The scope of this course deals with the various aspects of quality control and quality assurance aspects of pharmaceutical industries. It deals with the important aspects like CGMP, quality control test, documentation, quality certification, and regulatory affairs. The objective of this study or course is to understand the CGMP aspects in a pharmaceutical industry, appreciate the importance of documentation, understand the scope of quality certification applicable to pharmaceutical industry, understand the responsibility of quality assurance and quality control department. These all are the objectives of the subject pharmaceutical quality assurance, and the students after completion of the course shall understand the objectives of this course. Now we are going to study today's topic, that is quality audit, which is in fourth unit of this subject, and this is under document maintenance in pharmaceutical industry. So let's start our topic, that is quality audits. Now we are going to study about the quality audits. Auditing is defined as inspection of a process or a system to ensure that it complies with the requirement of its intended use. Generally, the following two types of audits are conducted. The first audit is internal audit, that is self-inspection. This audit is conducted in the permission or premises to monitor the implementation of GMP and also to get prior information about the flows in the system so that remedial and preventive steps can be taken. The second type of audit is external audit. This audit is conducted for suppliers or any other outsourcing operation carried out by the pharmaceutical industry. These are the two types of audits. So let's discuss about now, if we are going to understand in deep that what is quality audit, a systemic and independent examination to determine whether quality activities are related results comply with the planned arrangements and whether these arrangements are implemented effectively are suitable to achieve objective. A systematic Now we are discussing a systemic, independent and documented process, that is in quality audit, to obtain the audit evidence and evaluating it objectively to determine the extent to which audit criteria are fulfilled. Why to perform the quality audit? There is various reasons that's why we perform quality audit. Now, the first one is to check desired qualities and specification of end product, whether equipments are working properly or not, whether specified quality procedures are being followed or not, to check the quality system elements are adequate with regards to specified requirements, to check regulation requirements are being met. Now, what are the course objectives? What is an audit and how to prepare for and plan an audit, how to conduct an audit, how to report on an audit, course closing. These are all the objectives of audit. Now, we previously discussed that there are two types of audit, that is internal audit and external audit, and we discussed it also that what is internal audit and what is external audit. Now, what are the objectives of quality audit? Quality audits are meant to be assured about product safety and use, required quality is attended or not, specified standards by various industries and government agencies are being followed, specifications are adhered to, adequate procedures are implemented and followed, data system provides accurate and adequate information at all stages, identification of deficiencies and corrective action taken on it, and improvement opportunities. Now, forms of quality audit. There are various forms that are for quality audit. First is process audit. Second is product audit. The third one is equipment audit. And the fourth one is system audit. The fifth one is dock audit. The sixth one is layout audit. The seventh one is layered audit. And product audit, that will focus on the quality, and the system audit that examines the management system of the company. In process audit, examines actions the company took that are came under these audits. Now, the process audit, a verification that processes are working within established limits. It is an audit of process or manufacturing to ensure accuracy in the manufacturing of product at first attempt. It checks conformance to define requirements such as time, accuracy, temperature, and pressure. Examine the resources, equipment, material, people to check the adequacy and effectiveness of process, improvement in the manufacturing process. This is all comes under the process audit. Now, what is product audit? Product audit is an assurance of the quality of product to evaluate its qualification for use and to confirm the specifications. It is a complete inspection of product. Due to this inspection, we can aim at improving the quality, improving profitability, and enhancing customer satisfaction. It benefits both supplier and customer. Now, what is equipment audit? This audit is carried out to ensure that all the machines and facilities are used in the production process. It also ensures the capability of the machines to produce the desired quality of product and are kept properly maintained in working conditions. Now, what are the elements of quality audit? The first element of quality audit is audit purpose. Audit directed to product, process, or equipment. Now, the second audit element is audit team. The audit may be performed by a single person or by a team depending upon the scope, extent, and complexity of investigation. Internal audit is done by a single person, while the external audit is done by a group, by a same organization, or by different organizations. The other element of quality audit is audit frequency. Audit may be done weekly, monthly, yearly, or unannounced. Third-party audits are performed for the best results. The other element of quality audit is audit reporting. The results of audit may be provided as a raw data or with the comparison with the indicative quality index or after complete analysis with a corrective action plan. Now, one more element of quality audit is audit corrective action. In this, audit is done to identify the possibilities of quality improvement. Results of audit must be analyzed and corrective action should be done whenever is necessary. Now, in audit report that includes purpose and scope of audit, activities audited, details of audit plan, standard, checklist, and documents used, audit observations, conclusion and recommendation, improvement opportunities identified, follow up recommendations, improvement suggestions, and distribution list for audit report all are included in audit report. Now, what are the steps in implementation of quality audit? Managing an audit program that have a process flow in this. First, we plan. After that, some do's are done. After that, there have to be checked. And after that, act should be done. Now, first the plan is authorized. After that, it is established. After establishment, that is implemented. After that, monitor and review. After monitoring and reviewing, that will be if it have any problems or suggestion, the improvement is done in it. The implement of the audit is done by auditor competence, and after that audit activity should be done in it. Now this is all about the audit report, and now we are going to discuss about quality review and quality documentation. In quality review and quality documentation, annual product quality review, that is APQR, is an effective product quality improvement tool and is prepared in pharmaceutical industry to review the product consistency annually regarding their quality deviation, change, control, and market compliance. So please make a star note in APQR. So this can come in various pharmaceutical examination. They can ask what is the full form of APQR, that is Annual Product Quality Review. So make a star note on it. Annual Product Quality Review is a mandatory requirement of GMP. This can be asked also in question, in which the question will be, what is mandatory requirement for GMP? Then you can give the answer. Annual Product Quality Review is a mandatory requirement for GMP. The FDA uses the term Annual Product Review, that is APR, while in EU GMP guidelines, the term Product Quality Review is used, that is PQR. Now, in reports and documents, the PQR report should contain some details, and these details are a review of starting material and product, contact, primary packaging material used for the product. The second is a review of critical in-process control and finished product results. A review of all batches that fail to meet the established specification and their investigation. A review of all the changes made to the process or analytical methods. A review of the result of the stability monitoring program and adverse trends. A review of quality related product return, complaint and result, recalls and the investigation. A review of post-marketing commitments for new marketing authorization and variations to marketing authorization. So this is all about the term quality audit. If you have any queries related to this quality audit topic, please let me know. If you have any problems, please ask me, and please make sure to write down some short notes about this topic. So thank you for listening. Thank you so much.